Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our D30 Y78 Smartwatch. Okay, we are done with the specs review, menus, and features. Check. This time, we are going to install the support app for this wearable. Okay, we are going to install the FitPro support app for your D30 Y78 smartwatch. So if you are planning to pair or using your D30 Y78 for the first time and you are planning to install, of course, the support app, here is the step-by-step tutorial in Android smartphone. Okay, so we are already familiar with the support app. So just go to your Google Play Store, search for the app FitPro. Okay, so we have here the FitPro support app from Shenzhen, and as you can see, it's a pretty popular app with 50 million plus downloads. Just tap on it. Okay, so we have the support app here. Let's check on the details about the app. Version 2.0.2, Android 5.0 and up. Okay, with 50 million plus downloads, 31.98 MB only. So let's install the support app. Go back, tap on install, and let's wait. Okay, it's now installing the support app. Again, this tutorial is for the Android smartphone, but you can follow also the steps. It is also similar for the iOS platform. Okay, we are already in the installation of the FitPro app. Very easy, very fast. As you can see here, just 31.98 MB. It is now installing, and let's wait. Okay, let's activate first the Bluetooth here. Okay, so let's see if the support app will activate the Bluetooth automatically. Okay, if not, you can manually activate the Bluetooth functionality. Okay, now we're done. Just open. So we are now on the installation or the opening of the support app. Let's see. FitPro app. Okay, let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, it automatically activated our Bluetooth. Okay, so here on the bottom part, we have a home, set, motion, and mine. Okay, motion is for the sports tracking. This is the location, or this is the menu that we have to open. We have to tap on the set to pair our device here. So bind devices to experience more features. So let's check. Tap on it. See here we have a permission. So allow FitPro to access this device's location. That is our, I think, GPS. Just allow it. And now it automatically scans our smartwatch. Okay, we have i7, Huawei, Amazfit GTR, and other wearables here. As you can see, the D30 Y78 smartwatch is not available. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's check the address here. Okay, so go to the settings of your smartwatch to verify. Go to more. Usually it is available in the about section of your smartwatch. Okay, so LT716, is it here? No. i7, is it here? Is that our i7? Let's check. FF, okay, this is it here. 10B3B7. So I think this is the one. Okay, just tap on it. Okay, it's now trying to connect. Okay, let's see if we will have a successful connectivity with the wearable. Okay, so that's it. Very fast. Are we connected? Okay, so our time, okay, automatically adjust here. or changes here. So here have the i7. It says that we are connected. So let's check. Let's find. Okay, so we are connected with our wearable. Okay, the D30 Y78 Smartwatch, very easy. So we have all these settings here. Okay, let's adjust the notification permission here. Go to message push. Activate the SMS reminder. Okay, so here we have the permission. Allow FitPro to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Okay. So it is now committing. If you want it to receive messages from Facebook and Twitter, okay, so we have to, it has a separate notification permission here. Notification read permission, whether to allow open. Okay, notification access, just look for the FitPro. We have it here. Activate it. So allow notification access for FitPro. FitPro will be able to read all notifications, including personal information such as contact names and text messages. Just allow it. Okay. If you turn off notification access for battery and performance, do not disturb access may also be turned off. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, Twitter. Again, let's activate it. Now it's committing. Line and set successfully. Okay, so we are done with the notification function. What else? We also have remote shutter here, reset, over the air update. Let's check. Okay, so there's no over the air update. Background settings. Okay, open, go to open self start permission. Okay, later on we also have the dial settings here. Just tap on it. Okay, we have the default, we have recommended. Okay, so we are going to check on this later on, okay, on our other video review. Okay, but so far we are done with the installation of the FitPro support app for our D30 Y78 smartwatch. So if you have if you are having some issues, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.